Hello everyone, welcome to Zappa's Garage. This is part 6.5 of the Dodge Lancer wagon build. I know I've already jumped to 7, but here's some footage of my brother Paul and his son PJ installing a new seat.
You got the guy with the brains and then the worker, you know?
Right.
You got the guy with the brains holding the camera. And
What are we doing here, Paul?
Trying to find a way out.
Brother Paul.
Trying to find a way out. Somehow. Taking up the slack on this. When I adjust the seat, it pulls both sides at the same time.
No, that helps. Helps running on the track.
And after 60 years, they stretch out of shape. Or parts just wear out.
it's brand new almost. Huh?
Yeah, it's not in bad shape. Yeah.
He knows how to edit now.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it now.
He's gonna knuckle real quick. Oh shit! I guess I'm gonna start a couple.
Yeah, darn it.
We know when you're rolling.
I'm rolling.
All right, let's see if we can straighten this out a little bit, PJ, before we call it good. Okay? There you go. All right, just let it lay back. It's fine. Right there, it's fine. And then I'll get some bolts started eventually.
All right, good job. Good job, PJ.
Yeah, I'm glad you stopped by, son. It sure helps.
Someone's got to do the work.
Yeah, somebody's got to work hard. Sure ain't me. Hey.
What's going on? My dad just got the seat in, bolted down. As you can see, I'm a bigger guy, and I still fit nice in here.
All right, man.
My stomach can hit the wheel, so we're good. Stay tuned for further episodes, and don't forget to like, subscribe.
Yeah,
There you go,
and
criticize.
criticize. There you go. Very good.